Explore the power of TubeBuddy with Nsibwin. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will be back after the badge. TubeBuddy is a browser extension and a suite of YouTube tools designed to enhance the user's YouTube experience and help creators grow their channels more efficiently. It's an all-in-one platform that streamlines the video creation process, making it easier for creators to optimize their content for higher visibility and engagement on YouTube. Key features: Keyword Explorer. Find the best keywords for your videos, analyze the competition, and track your ranking progress. Tag Generator. Get a list of the best tags for your videos, including long tail and related tags. Thumbnail Generator. Create attention-grabbing thumbnails for your videos with custom templates, text, and image options. End screen and annotations. Customize the end of your videos with end screens and annotations to drive more traffic and engagement. Channel Management. Organize and manage your channel efficiently with custom playlists, video folders, and more. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks like video optimization and tagging to save time and focus on content creation. Video SEO. Optimize your videos for maximum visibility with custom video SEO recommendations, video analysis, and more. Channel Analytics. Monitor your channel growth and track your video performance with detailed analytics and reporting. Collaboration. Collaborate with other YouTubers and teams with ease using shared folders, annotations, and more. In summary, TubeBuddy is a comprehensive tool that provides a wide range of features and benefits for YouTube creators. It's designed to help them optimize their content, grow their channel, and streamline their workflow so they can focus on what they do best, creating great content for their audience. I will leave you the link to the tool in the description box below the video.